Hi, I'm Sanjay Lad. Welcome to one more video of Special Biotonic. In today's session, we'll talk about deviations to the law of dominance. Now students, in one of the previous video, we talked about law of dominance. Now link of this video I'm enclosing in the I section. Please check that. Now what we saw in law of dominance that in F1, one gene perfectly dominates the other gene. It is law of dominance. But students, this law is not applicable in all cases. There are deviations to this. The deviations are one is incomplete dominance and second is codominance. So in today's session, we'll talk about the examples of these two deviations thoroughly. Students, let us start with one example of incomplete dominance, which is also called as partial dominance. Now, such example is found in a plant called as 4 o'clock plant or Mirabilis jalapa. Now, let us take one example. Say red flowers are crossed with white flowers. Now, here the genotype of red flower is capillar capillar, whereas the genotype of white flower is small r small r. Now, when red flower produces gamete, it produces gamete as capillar, white flower produces the gamete as small r. Now during process of fertilization, capillar fuses with small r to form capilla small r. Now in this plant, the plant neither produces red flowers nor white flower, but it produces intermediate colored flower, that is pink flower. So what is happening here? Capillar gene and smaller genes are expressed partially. Therefore, this is example of incomplete dominance. Now, when we cross such pink flowered plants with itself, then it results into formation of one red flower, two pink flowers and one white flower. So what is happening here? Both genotypic and phenotypic ratios are same. What is the meaning of this? That the plant produces one red flower, two pink flowers and one white flower. That is phenotypic ratio is 1 is to 2 is to 1. The genotypic ratio is 1 capillar capillar is to 2 capilla smaller is to 1 smaller smaller. Now, besides Mirabilis jalapa, such examples are also found in one more plant called as snapdragon plant, which is also called as Antirrhinum majus. Students, I hope you are understanding this example. Students, let us take example of codominance now. So here, red cow is crossed with say white cow. The genotype of red cow is capillar capillar, whereas the genotype of white cow is WW. Now here, this red cow produces skin with red hairs, whereas white cow produces skin with white hairs. Now the difference lies with the skin color because of the differences in the type of hair. The red cow produces red hairs, white cow produces white hairs. Now when this red cow produces gamete, it produces the gamete as R type. The white cow produces gamete as W type. During process of fertilization, R gamete fuse with a W gamete to form RW type of genotype. Now this results into formation of a cow which produces skin color having both red as well as white patches. So such a type of cow is called as Rowan type. Now here what is happening? Both R gene and W genes are expressed equally. So it is co-dominance. Now when two such individuals are crossed, that is when a male with Rowan type is crossed with a female with a Rowan type, it results into formation of one red cow, two Rowan type of cow and one white type of cow. So in this case also genotypic and phenotypic ratios are same. So this is a classical example of co-dominance. So students, I hope you are understanding such examples. Now let us take one more example of co-dominance which is found in human blood group. Now in human blood group we have ABO blood group system. Now here what we are doing is we are crossing a male having a blood group A with a female having a blood group B. Now here as blood group A is pure, so genotype is IA type. In blood group B, since it is pure type, it is having genotype IB type. Now when first produced gamete, it produced the gamete as IA type. The second individual produced the gamete as IB type. During process of fertilization, the gametes unite to form zygote. So here the offspring will have IA IB type of genotype, which results into formation of AB blood group. So what is happening here? Both the genes are expressed equally, so that is co-dominance. Now further, when such individuals are crossed, that is when say a male with blood group AB is crossed with a female with a blood group AB, it results into formation of such four types of individuals, that is one with blood group A, two individuals with AB blood group, and one individuals with B blood group. So in this case also both genotypic and phenotypic ratios are same. So we are talking about co-dominance. So students, so far we have discussed about partial dominance and co-dominance. In partial dominance, we have taken example of Mirabilis jalapa, where red flowers are crossed with white flower, which results into formation of pink flower. But when such plants are crossed further, it results into formation of one red, two pink, and one white. Further, we talked about codominance with the example of say a cow with say red color and white color to give Rowan type, and the second example is the codominance in human blood group. So students, I hope you are understanding the examples of these two types. Students, at the end, I request you all to like, share and subscribe my videos. If you subscribe my videos, you'll get the notification of my new videos immediately. And those who want to see my previous videos made on the same topic, the link of this is enclosed in the description box. Please check that. So thank you for watching this video.